చాత్తాద శ్రీ వైష్ణవ బంధువులందరికీ నమస్సుమాంజలి. అమెరికా చాత్తాద శ్రీ వైష్ణవ ఆత్మీయ సమ్మేళనానికి ఇదే మా స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. అమెరికా చాత్తాద శ్రీ వైష్ణవ సంఘం, కనెక్టింగ్ అవర్ రూట్స్.
Welcome everyone to our very first North American Chatada Sri Vaishnava Cultural Conference. We're delighted to have you all here today as we celebrate our rich culture and heritage. My name is Sunita Ramanujapuram and I'm from Robbinsville, New Jersey. Joining me is my co-host Ram Garu.
Hello everyone, good evening. Thank you for joining. My name is Ram Madhurakavi. I also live in Robbinsville, New Jersey.
We're absolutely excited to be here and honored to be your MCs for today's program. We also have DJ Shrif here. He's going to play the audio tracks for us and he's going to manage all the audio. Thank you, DJ Shrif. We have an exciting lineup of events and amazing talents in this hall, which you are all going to witness. Before we start, let's go over a few house rules. Andaru Kuchali, please remain seated, including kids. That's a humble request from all of us, so all of us have the best experience. We'll try our best to keep the kids engaged. And one exciting thing is, we're going to have gifts for those who answer questions. So after every performance, we're going to have a question. And whoever gives the right answer, kids first, kids get the preference, they're going to get a gift card. If you need to leave the hall or enter the hall, wait until the end of the item that is being performed on the stage. Maintain silence during the performance. Please put your phones and other devices on silent. We understand there will be some instances where you cannot follow the rules, but please use your discretion for the best experience for everyone. There's appetizers in the back. If somebody hasn't grabbed any, please take a moment and grab your snacks. There's also sodas and juices. We absolutely have no cellular network here. If somebody needs Wi-Fi password, you can contact the registration desk.
But please minimize the usage of phones. Please. There's a lot of hard work, there's a lot of effort went into organizing this event. We would really appreciate if you can switch off your phones. Absolutely, if there's anything urgent, please step out, use it. And I just want to re-emphasize what Sunita said. There are gift cards and the whole idea is to encourage everyone. Lakshmaka, you have to win a gift card, okay?
And to engage everyone in this hall, so I would like to request everyone to participate. Raise your hand to know the answer. Oh my God. Without the question, we have hands raising here.
With all that said and with no further delay, once again on behalf of entire North American Chapter Sri Vaishnava family, welcome everyone to sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Hope you all have a memorable and enchanting evening. సో అమెరికాలో 25 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఉండబట్టి రోజు లేవగానే కస్టమర్లతో మాట్లాడి ఇంగ్లీష్ అలవాటు అయిపోయింది. కొందరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడు అని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసిండ్రు. ఐ థింక్ ఐ విల్ డూ మై బెస్ట్, ఓకే? బట్ మధ్యలో ఏమన్నా కావాలని శ్రీకాంత్, నేను మరి ఎక్కువ ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడదా అంటే ఒకసారి చేయలేదు, మళ్ళీ తెలుగులో ఓకేనా?
Let's start the program with lighting the lamp. I would like to request Naveen Diviti Garu, Venu Nakshatram Garu, Vijay Vinjamara Garu, and any visiting parents from India, we would want you all to be on the stage.
ఇండియా నుంచి వచ్చిన పేరెంట్స్ ఎవరైనా ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్.
విజయలక్ష్మి ఆంటీ గారు, మీకు ఒక రిక్వెస్ట్ వచ్చింది, మీరు స్టేజ్ పైకి రావాలి.
ఇంకా ఎవరైనా రూమ్లో ఇండియా నుంచి వచ్చిన పేరెంట్స్, ఎనీ విజిటింగ్ పేరెంట్స్, ప్లీజ్. దిస్ ఈస్ అ గ్రేట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ us to pay our respect.
Ravamma Sulochini, Ravamma Saudamini, कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योति जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योति जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीप नमोस्तुते शुभं कल्याणम्
That's great. Lighting the lamp is a traditional way to inaugurate events symbolizing the dispelling of darkness by light, which represents the ignorance of. So you all might have heard of Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, right? So the light always leads us from darkness to light.
May I request the performer of the next item to line up backstage? This would be Venkata Sai Chandra of Sri Perumbudur. Venkata Sai Chandra is going to sing Ekadantam Vinayakam, a Vinayaka Stuti. Venkata Sri Perumbudur is a senior in high school. He's been learning classical music from a very young age. He loves music and sports. He's excited about pursuing his career in college education in computer science engineering. Welcome, Venkat, onto the stage. Good luck to you.
Everyone, please sit. Please take a seat. Please sit back and relax. Please. These kids have put a lot of effort. Would really appreciate if you can totally focus on the performance.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు వెంకట సాయి చంద్ర. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఒక గణేష ప్రార్థన పాడబోతున్నాను. ఏకదంతం వినాయకం విఘ్నహరం భజ గజాననం ఏకదంతం వినాయకం విఘ్నహరం భజ గజాననం ఏకదంతం ఉమాసుతం విఘ్నహరం భజ గజాననం ఏకదంతం ఉమాసుతం విఘ్నహరం భజ గజాననం మూషికవాహన గజాననం మోదకహస్త గజాననం మూషికవాహన గజాననం మోదకహస్త గజాననం ఏకదంతం వినాయకం విఘ్నహరం భజ గజాననం చామరకర్ణ గజాననం విలంబితసూత్ర గజాననం చామరకర్ణ గజాననం విలంబితసూత్ర గజాననం వామనరూప గజాననం మహేశ్వరపుత్ర గజాననం వామనరూప గజాననం మహేశ్వరపుత్ర గజాననం విఘ్నవినాయక గజాననం పాదనమస్తే గజాననం విఘ్నవినాయక గజాననం పాదనమస్తే గజాననం ఏకదంతం వినాయకం విఘ్నహరం భజ గజాననం విఘ్నహరం భజ గజాననం ధన్యవాదాలు.
Great job, Venkat.
Awesome.
You did an awesome job.
Yes,
You have such a lovely voice.
thank you. Everyone, please, I would request everyone to take a seat, please. Whoever is standing on the back, please sit down, please.
Question time. Who is ready to answer the question? I hope you still keep your hand raised after hearing the question. That was lovely singing by Venkat. The question is, who can give me 3 names of Vinayaka mentioned in this song? Just raise your hand. I'm going to pick the youngest person in the room. ఇప్పుడు వెంకట్ ఒక పాట పాడారు కదా, నైస్. ఇంకా ఇంకేమున్నాయి చెప్పు. ఆయన పాడిన సాంగ్లో వినాయకుడి పేర్లు ఏమేమి వచ్చాయో అందులో ఏమైనా వినాయక. ఇంకా ఇంకా నువ్వు ఆలోచించు, నేను మళ్ళీ అడుగుతా. గణేష్, that's a good one. That's a good one. Who else wants to try? I'll come back to you, okay? You want to try?
एकदन्तं विघ्नहरं गजाननं.
Awesome.
Great job, great
Super,
job,
super.
great
What's your
job.
name, Nana? Huh? Vikrant. Make sure you collect your gift card after the event. Okay?
Okay, you can collect it right now if you want. It's at table number 8. Venkat Garu is handing over the gift cards. Tell us your name.
विक्रांत.
Vikrant.
Okay, everyone.
Vikrant has won his gift card.
Cheer up for Vikrant. Good job, Nana. Okay, kids in the room. Vikrant already won a gift card. Okay? Everyone, please pay your attention. It's very easy. All we do is we ask simple question from the performance. That's it. So if you pay the attention, you can win the gift card. It's as easy as that.
Yeah, so this time when you're driving back, you can buy coffee for your parents. Or donuts. Next up we have Aditi Vijayapuram and Nitya Vijayapuram. They are performing Pushpanjali, a Bharatanatyam item. Pushpanjali is a classical invocatory dance presented at the beginning of a performance. It literally means offering flowers as a salutation to gods, Guru and the audience. Aditi is a sophomore in high school and Nitya is in grade 6 in middle school. They are from Robbinsville, New Jersey. Both enjoy dancing and singing.
तारितजं तजं तरिता तदिमितकिटतकतगतदिगिण त्वं तारितजं तजं तरिता तदिमितकिटतकतगतदिगिण त्वं तारितजं तजं तरिता तदरिंगिणतों धारितजं
Beautiful.
Great job,
Beautiful.
Aditi and Nitya. That was awesome. Now this is again question time.
Now before that, guys, I just want to get some feedback. Isn't it world class performance? I said world class. I mean, if these kids have the right platform, right channel, there's no limit. I just want you all guys to realize that. Fantastic. My both daughters dance. Whenever they dance, I literally cry. So we all have to appreciate that. We are very blessed in this time. Okay, thank you.